Hi, this is how you perform a factory reset of the Sonos Beam. A factory reset is great to do before selling or getting rid of the soundbar, or if you have any issues with it. First, start off by flipping the soundbar over and remove the power cord from the back of it, but leave the other end of the power cable still connected to the wall socket. Now we need to press and hold the connect button at the back of the soundbar at the same time as we provide it with power by inserting the power cable back into the speaker. Upon doing this, the little light on the top of the speaker starts blinking with a white light. Now keep holding the connect button until the light starts blinking white and orange, and then release the button. After a few more seconds, the orange color gets replaced with a green one, indicating that the reset process is now completed. If you're selling or getting rid of the soundbar, now is the time to unplug it and pack it down. Otherwise, to install it back into your Sonos ecosystem, just open the app on your phone and a prompt should appear asking if you would like to install the new speaker. If a prompt does not appear, the option to install it is also available under Settings down to the right, followed by Add Product. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye!